Hey guys, Joe here. What I'm going to demonstrate today is how I extend my fire or poles, transfer them to another area if I have to. One of the things I like to use, if you're in an area with large game, a lot of times if you're in a survival situation, if you're going on a survival situation, you probably will be. One of the things you could use is animal dung. What I have here is range cattle dung. It's on a little truck around here, and picked this up, and it works nicely. It's a pole extender. So let me show you. Here's my flint and steel. Get a nice little pole. Helps to knock things around, you know. What I like to do is take like a smaller piece, right, like so. Not smash it too much, but just kind of create a little ceiling for it. And what I'm doing is creating a bigger coal. There we go. And you can see it's smoking nicely. Because right now, I can leave this sit, especially if I have to go out someplace to get supplies. You know, maybe some more rock to make arrowheads and such. What I do is I'll put this in my pit, kind of bank it a little bit, and this will burn for a couple hours. So with that said, yeah, there it is. So another way of transporting something like this is make something like kind of a nest, a cigar, also known as the Apache match that Dave Holliday taught us. But it's really effective, especially if you're carrying it in inclement weather, like you're raining. On the survival trek I did with David Holliday, we had one guy carrying an Apache match like this with his hat, pouring rain, just blowing, holding it like this. And we walked for a better part of 4 or 5 hours in the rain, snow, hail, like a frogs. But we got to our camp and he still had that coal. So let's see if I could recreate that here, right? Okay, well, scrounged up some cattails from the fall. It's not looking that hopeful because they're really flimsy, but let's just see if it could work, all right? So. There we go, that's smoking again. So, what I do then is I have this layer of animal dung and cattail fuzz. I know for a fact that cattail fuzz turns into a big hunk of coal. It doesn't burst into flames that easily unless, you know, you have some more, another ignition point. But what I'm going to do is set like so. Take green cattail leaf. And yes, the cattail leaves will smolder, it's to be expected. And as you're traveling, you can hold it up to the breeze, like so. And we have a nesting coal. And part of the coal that fell out. Around and show you. Here it is, this horrid nest, but it's smoking. And you can just carry this like so in the rain. Yeah, smoke's gonna get in your face. You can look like a fighter pilot from World War I. But it'll work, and you can carry it, for miles on end, from one campsite to another. This comes in especially handy if you're going to a new area where you're not sure about the supplies, the conditions, all sorts of things. Anything that Murphy can throw at you, this helps alleviate any of Murphy's laws. So, well, it works. I'm impressed. This is my first attempt at making a Apache match. So, there we go. So, any comments, advice, hints, I could really appreciate it. How to improve this, let me know. And if you like it, hit like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Talk to you later.